The state government suspects a smear campaign is behind questions over the relationship between Liberal Jing Lee and an association reportedly backed by Beijing. The Malaysian-born MP says she does not share that group's political views.
Ethnic Uyghurs in Adelaide are just one group that has concerns about the supposedly Chinese government-backed Xinjiang Association of SA and its relationship with Liberal MP Jing Lee.
I wonder how the state politicians are engaged with such an indecent associations.
The Assistant Minister to the Premier has taken the group on a tour of Parliament. Her tweet from one of its events has been deleted since concerns were raised about her links with Beijing.
The opposition isn't saying that Ms Lee is a Chinese spy or a Communist Party sympathiser. What we are saying, though, that there are some serious questions that she needs to answer to the South Australian public herself in person.
In a statement, she says, "I have attended hundreds of multicultural functions. To suggest that I share the political views of the people who make up all those organisations is absurd." There are reports Ms Lee had urged South Australia in 2017 to join One Belt One Road, an initiative of great concern to the federal government.
She's found a number of the speculative comments quite hurtful, and she has advised that she doesn't support the Belt and Road initiative, and neither does the government.
This all emerging as Jing Lee's on the brink of a promotion. She's tipped to replace Terry Stevens as the Upper House President when Parliament resumes next month.
This may well be a smear in the as the Legislative Council members consider the presidential position.
Ms Lee was unavailable for an interview. Chloe Boris for 10 News First.